Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get ads back on Candy Crush Saga. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in Candy Crush Saga, ads can provide extra move, boosters, or free lives. However, not all players have access to ads, and the availability of ads can change. So ads are often given to active players. So if you play frequently, you may have a higher chance of seeing ads inside Candy Crush. And also you need to stay connected to the internet. So ads require an active internet connection. So ensure you're online while playing. You don't want to play it offline. Otherwise you will not get ads. Also use a free to play account. So some paying users report fewer ads. If you spent money on the game, you might not get as many ad offers. So yeah, keep that in mind. And also, if we go back to our Player App Store and search for Candy Crush, you need to make sure the app is up to date as well. So if it says update, go ahead and update, and that might serve you more ads. And another trick you can do is go into the app info of Candy Crush. So go ahead and hold down Candy Crush, click on the eye for app info, and then scroll down, then click into storage and clear the cache. That might help retrieve ads again. Another tip is to play Candy Crush on another device. So log into another device and start playing Candy Crush. And yeah, so ads disappear for a few different reasons. So King, the developer, removes them because they test different features, and ads may be available only to certain players for a limited time. Technical issues sometimes stop players from getting ads. So bugs or cache problems can sometimes, stop ads from appearing. Some countries or player accounts may not have ads due to testing policies or licensing agreements, just depending of what country or location you're from. And also ad quota reach. So the game may have a limit on how many ads you can watch daily as well. And yeah, so if you lost ads and nothing else works, try waiting a few days, updating your game, or playing on a different device. There's no guaranteed way to get them back, but sometimes they just simply return on their own. Let me know in the comments below, how did you manage to get your ads back on Candy Crush?